What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make it better. You feel me? Let's just dive right into the video. We're finna make a crazy dark Drake X 21 Savage type of beat, all inside of FL Studio. So let's get it. So I got my tempo at 155. I think that's a good tempo. Let's just open up Analog Lab. So I'm just starting off with like this little flute type of sound, and it's like a really repetitive sound, but I'm trying to go for like something from Drake and 21 Savage, their new album Her Loss. The song is called Ambient, and I thought it was like super fire, so I'm trying to go for like that type of vibe, that type of style. So we're starting off the beat real simple, but the thing is, with effects it will sound like completely different, so make sure you stick around to the end for that. Bro, that bell is hard. That is super hard. Like, oof. Let's just render that out because my CPU is already skyrocketing. Goddamn, this beat finna be fire. Sometimes you already know if the beat is finna be fire, bro. I don't think it needs much more. I think it just like needs some processing on the melodies and maybe like pitch it down, pitch it up, all that good stuff. So let's just see what we can do with these little melodies. We might need to add some extra effects to this as well. We can maybe like search this one. So I made this one unique. How you do that is just like double click, make unique, and make sure you got this symbol right here, the stretch symbol, and then I just like stretch it like this. Yeah, shit. I just want to add like this portal to give it like a little bit more texture. My CPU is going crazy. We can just like start the beat like this. Yeah. I think it's super fire. It's simple, but there's always something. I think it needs like one last layer, one last thing to like complement the main chords, the main melody. So let's just copy over these chords and just like go through presets. That's what I usually do. Sheesh, that's crazy. I love the beat, I love the vibe, I love the energy inside of it. It's really like simple and open, but this works perfect for like an artist as Drake or 21 Savage, because there's a lot of room for the vocal just to go crazy on it and just to like spit some crazy bars, you feel me? But hope you enjoyed it, hope you especially learned from this. Make sure to check out my other videos as well. The channel is full of sauce. Also, all the drums that I use in this video are in the description, so feel free to check that out. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at @beats. Thank you so much for watching. This tutorial show you how to make like a 21 Savage Drake dark type of vibe, dark type of beat, all inside of FL Studio. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.